और अब बात करते हैं OIC इजलास की, जिससे वजीर आजम शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी ने खिताब किया है। आप भी सुनिए।
Stand united and give hope to our peoples, or once again adopt declarations which cannot be translated into effective actions. Mr. Chairman, the U.S. decision to recognize Jerusalem as the so-called capital of Israel and to relocate its embassy to the holy city constitutes a clear violation of international law and several United Nations Security Council resolutions, in particular resolutions 476 and 478. It is a blatant attempt to set in motion steps to change the historic and lawful status of the holy city. On behalf of the people and government of Pakistan, I wish to reiterate our strong condemnation of this decision. Our Parliament, both the Senate and the National Assembly, have unanimously echoed these sentiments. We all stand firmly behind the Palestinian people and their just struggle. Pakistan urges the United States to rescind this decision, fully comply with all applicable UN Security Council resolutions, and recommit unequivocally to the two-state solution. Mr. Chairman, together with the OIC and the Islamic world, Pakistan has always demonstrated its solidarity with the Palestinian people and their legitimate aspirations for a promised homeland. Pakistan is proud to have piloted resolutions in the UN Security Council as chair of OIC, including resolutions 476 and 478. Pakistan renews its call for establishment of a viable, independent and contiguous state of Palestine on the basis of internationally agreed parameters, the pre-1967 borders, and with Al-Quds Al-Sharif as its capital. Mr. Chairman, as OIC, we need serious introspection and reflect on two key questions. Firstly, how have we come to this pass? The fact is that we have not given concrete shape to our expressions of solidarity and unity. This has been true not only for Palestine, but for other common causes also. The world is witness to a similar pattern of tragedy, both in scope and scale. For 70 years, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have been subjected to illegal Indian occupation and blatant violation of their fundamental rights, including the right to self-determination. Here too, the UN Security Council resolutions continue to be defied and the just struggle for freedom conveniently branded as terrorism. Moreover, another reason for the situation that we find ourselves in is that we are not writing enough, we are not producing enough. Without rectifying our political, economic, communication,
वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी OIC खिताब कर रहे हैं।